This crew's excited about the breakfast this morning. Let's go. Gosh, she sees the cameras. I told her, hey, all those were cameras. Now she wants to put on a show. And I'm gonna let the ladies operate the elevator. Okay, good job, ladies. Good job. Folks, this place is beautiful. Look at this. Painted in 2010 by Alfred Galvez. Just got beautiful artwork throughout the hotel. And they're big on these paintings. Well, we have one of those in our room, I think. Anyhow, what a beautiful, beautiful hotel. It's just an experience. Has character. Papa's okay. You tell me. Better push something or we're going to be standing here all day. Hey, we got to ask them about the karaoke rooms. We might go do some videoke. Look, Lyrics Lounge. I'm assuming that's here in the hotel.
They don't know balls. Stop.
Okay, let's go, ladies. Let's go. Let's go, breakfast. Look around the lobby, folks. Good morning. Good morning. Look at this beautiful artwork. This place is awesome. Last night there was a dude here with a guitar. Hello.
Can I have a number?
Yeah, one. Look at this staircase over there. Nice bar. Look at that chandelier. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, got the chef over there on station. Where you ladies want to sit? How about right here? It's okay right here? Oh yeah, the booth. That'll work better for us. Folks, when you got kids, the booth always works better. Get over here and get Forrest G settled down. Hey everybody. Alright, got the egg station here. Can I get one omelet with everything? Alright, chef's making up some omelets for us. Got some pasta going on. Fried fish fillet. Pork adobo. Corned beef with onion. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Oh yeah, this is an awesome little breakfast. Look at here, all kinds of bread, butter, jam, in the fruit station. Oh, the salad station. Look at this. This is where I'm about to hit. Thousand Island. All the accoutrements. And then you got your coffee over here with juice. Folks, this is a perfect little breakfast. So Calamansi here is going after the pancit. Let's see what she gets. See what this old girl's going after. Yeah, get the fish fillets, girl. Eat all you can eat. Yeah, get that pork adobo. That looks good. Nice pieces of pork there. How are we doing, everybody? Folks, is it delicious? Forrest G. How's the food, ladies? How's the food? Look at the salad, folks. I got real butter. Oh my gosh. And they got brewed coffee over there. You might think that's I don't get many salads. I don't get any salads. So whenever I hit a place like this, I always go heavy on the salad. My goodness, but it's time for some brewed coffee. Oh yeah. Brewed coffee. Look at this. Living on the province, you don't get brewed coffee. Most places here in the Philippines, you do not get brewed coffee. It was called 3-in-1, sort of like hot chocolate, but different flavor. Come over here. Got everything that a guy could ask for. Those in my pocket. A little bit of creamer. Spoon. Now we are off to the races. Look at this. He even got a mirror. This is perfect. Look at it. Everybody's happy, folks. I'm gonna tell you right now. This breakfast is on time. Is this the spread at the Hilton or the Marriott? No. You want a spread like that? Go to the Hilton or the Marriott. But this is a perfect breakfast, perfect match between, you know, what an American, a foreign guy would want versus what they want. It's perfect. I gave it 2 thumbs ups. How's the food, ladies? Good or delicious? Delicious. It's delicious because they don't want to talk. All they want to do is eat. I'm annoying them with the camera. Time for me to go to work on my salad. Like I said, you might think this is. I don't get much real butter. I don't get a salad. But here we go. Time for me to chow down. Before I forget, that pork is absolutely delicious. Yeah, it said adobo, but it has more like a Worcestershire expensive flavor to it. It's absolutely delicious. I started to pass it up because you just get tired of eating adobo. Don't pass this up. That is outstanding, man. And we're doing good. This is the ladies put all their food on my plate, expect me to eat everything once they get tired. Once they get full, they expect a foreign guy to eat everything.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you,
I just like the beef.
that taste right there, delicious. My compliments to the chef for making my morning. That's the best breakfast I've had. You know what? Since we were at the other resort, that breakfast is awesome. Now, this will be the final test. The final test is on the brewed coffee. Right there, the brewed coffee. Let's see how the final test. Oh, thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. Service here, on time. Everybody's friendly. But this is the test, the brewed coffee. That's a pretty good brewed coffee. Alright, baby, so what'd you think about the breakfast?
Delicious. Delicious, daddy.
I give it 2 thumbs up. What'd you think, ladies? How's the breakfast? Delicious? What about you?
Delicious.
Just look at this place, the architecture. The ceiling here. Beautiful. My final assessment about this place. With the music, the atmosphere, the chandeliers, this little booth. I feel like it just went to like a fine dining, some type of fine dining, like, back in the 30s. There's a lot of character to the atmosphere of this breakfast versus going to some place it's like sterile, cheap furniture, cheap chairs. This is awesome. I can't say enough good things about this little place. Hey, easy buddy. Last sip of coffee and we're off. Thank you, darling, thank you. And again, folks, here's a look around. That big old chandelier. Just a lot of character here at the Hotel Elizabeth. And you got another little coffee shop across the street right there. And no problem with the elevators. They're always on time. Never had to wait for the elevator. What's wrong is you got to put your key card in there. Okay, pull it out. Push. Okay, do it again. It's upside down. The key card is upside down. Look at the arrow on the key card. Pull it out. Push 10. Put it back in. No, I'm not doing it.
Go, Jimmy!
Listen, you put the key card in. Okay, I'll show you just a minute. Okay, so we just rode the elevator down with some fine folks there. Now push it in there all the way. Pull it out. Pull it out. Push 10. Oh, you can't make this up. If I were not with these ladies, they would be trapped in this elevator all day long. I gave you a block of instruction. Don't blame me.
And that is what I do. Why they don't have green? It's only a red.
Okay, well during the block of instruction, maybe you ladies should listen.
Ato daw ta sa wrong pinagkuhan.
You can't make this up. It's pretty simple. Key card in, pull it out, hit 10. Okay, all right, let's see if you ladies can get the door going. All right, good job. Hey, let's wait by the room.
Yung card, may upang.